Crafting engaging characters in your plot. Hello, budding writers. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of creative writing, creating engaging characters. In any story, the characters drive the plot, and a well-developed character can make your story come alive. So, how can you create characters that your readers can't get enough of? Let's find out. Characters are the lifeblood of your story. They are the individuals with whom your readers will build a connection. A story without engaging characters, no matter how intriguing the plot, will often feel empty. Protagonists are central characters driving the story forward. Antagonists oppose the protagonists, adding tension and conflict. Supporting characters add depth and flavor, providing context and assisting main characters in their journey. 1. Backstory. Every individual has a past. This backstory will influence their actions, reactions, and decisions. 2. Motivation. What drives your character? Understanding their desires and fears can help in creating a more relatable character. 3. Physical description. While not always crucial, giving readers a vivid image can help them connect better. 4. Personality. Is your character shy, outgoing, mysterious, or cheerful? Their temperament will guide their interactions. 5. Evolution. Characters should grow, learn, or change as the story progresses. This dynamic nature keeps readers invested. The more readers can see themselves in your characters, the more they'll be invested in your story. Flaws and imperfections. Nobody's perfect. Characters with flaws feel more human and genuine. Genuine emotions. Allow your characters to feel a wide range of emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, and more. Relatable struggles. Whether it's a moral dilemma, personal growth, or a battle against the odds, readers should be able to empathize with the challenges your characters face. Remember, your characters don't exist in isolation. Dialogue. Through conversations, readers can gain insights into a character's thoughts, feelings, and relationships with others. Reactions. How a character reacts to situations or to other characters can provide a wealth of information about their personality and motivations. Relationship dynamics. Friendships, rivalries, and romances all add layers to your characters, making them more multidimensional. Crafting engaging characters is both an art and a science. By giving them depth, emotions, and genuine interactions, you can make them unforgettable. We hope this guide helps you in your creative writing journey. Keep writing, and remember, every character you create has the potential to touch a reader's heart. Happy writing!